Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make our character crouch. This is going to be a basic crouch system, so don't expect anything too advanced just yet. In the following tutorials, I will show you how to make advanced crouch and sprint combinations, but for now, we are focusing on the basics. Thank you so much for showing interest in these videos. Without your support, I wouldn't be creating them. So please hit that like button and comment down below if you find these tutorials helpful. Alright, let's get started. Go to your content folder, open your player folder, and inside that, go into the IMC folder. Inside the IMC, go into the input folder. Now right click and create a new input action. We will call this one crouch input. Double click on it and make sure the value type is set to digital boolean, because we will be using a boolean variable for this. Then save and close it. Now go back to your IMC folder, open your player IMC and click add action mapping. This new action mapping will be our crouch input that we just created. Select crouch input and under it assign the left control key for crouching. Once that's done, click save and close. Now go inside your player character's blueprint, double click to open it, right click anywhere in the graph and search for crouch input. Get your crouch input event, and now we will set it up just like we did for jumping. From started, we will call crouch, and from completed, we will call uncrouch. It is that simple. This will let us crouch and uncrouch when we press and release the key. If we compile and save now, then press play, you will notice we can't crouch yet. I'm pressing the button, but nothing is happening. The reason is that we need to enable crouching in our character movement settings. So, go back to your player blueprint, select character movement, and in the details panel, search for crouch. Under movement capabilities, enable the option can crouch. Now, compile, save, and close. Press play again, and we should be able to crouch. It is working, but you might notice the crouch animation is a little choppy. That's okay for now. As I mentioned earlier, we will create a much smoother advanced crouch system later on. For now, the basic crouch is more than enough for our starting setup. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below what you would like to see next. And I will try to fit it into this tutorial series as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget you can also click the super thanks button to support the channel. It really helps me create more videos like this for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.